Welcome, kiddo. So let's understand the chapter 14 when the earth shook. Okay. So what is the question answer? Have you or anyone that you know ever faced such difficulty? क्या कभी आपने फेस किया? Yes, my mama ji stays in Gujarat and he had faced such an earthquake few years back. Okay. So, who all helped at such a time? Make a list of the people who had provided help at that time. It as follows: the neighbors helped each other, people from the cities, the local leaders, the political leaders, various non-government organization of that area, doctors and nurses of the hospitals of that place, few shopkeepers. A lot of people from other places came to Jasmas village. Who were these people? In what ways would they have helped the villagers? The people who came to Jasmas village for help were people from the city, scientists, architects, and engineers, and non-government and voluntary organizations, some doctors, state minister, and other political leaders. So this is your answer. What is the next question? Okay, just wait. Okay, next, who were these people and in what ways would they have helped the villagers? कैसे वो help करते हैं, कौन से उससे, ठीक है? So these people help the villagers in a number of ways, such as क्या क्या करते हैं? People from the cities with food, medicine and clothes, and they also help करते हैं to put up the tents. Okay, the scientists try करते हैं find out which areas have more chances होता है of having earthquake के, and they gave an alarming signal to the villagers to keep them away from these places. Then the engineers and architects showed करते हैं them some special designs for house that would not get much damage in an earthquake. Then the non-government voluntary organization helped the people by providing them foods, clothes, tents to make huts, etc. Then doctors and nurses provide करते them free first aid and treatment. And then the state minister and the political leaders provided करते the people various basic things like food, grains, vegetables, compensatory money, etc. Question number 4. People in Jasmas village rebuilt their houses with suggestion from the engineers. Will these houses be safer than before in case there is an earthquake again? Why? Yes, these houses would be comparatively safer than before in case and there is an earthquake. This is because these are now prepared according to the suggestion and design explained by the engineers. Think if there were an earthquake where you live, would your house be in danger? So yes, if there is an earthquake where I live, my house would be in danger, and the following damage could happen. So the various household equipment such as TV, radio, utensils, eatables, etc. could get destroyed. If there would be a very severe earthquake, even the people would get crushed under the fallen houses and die. Okay. Question number 6. Compare करना your house with that of Jasma. List in your notebook what materials were used in making both the houses. So Jasma's house and your house. So it was made of clay, cow dung, mirror, etc. And your house, it is made of the cement, bricks, glass, steel, etc. So this is not very strong and can break due to heavy rainstorm. It is very strong and can withstand all adverse climatic condition. Question number 7. If possible, leave the house and go to an open ground. So if you cannot go out of the house, lie down under a strong thing like a table and hold on tightly so that it does not slip away. Wait until the shaking stops. Have you been told in your school or anywhere else about what to do in case of an earthquake? Why do you think one should go under a table during an earthquake? So yes, during the classroom discussion, we have been told about the precaution that one can take during earthquake to save themselves. Tabletops are strong, it can save you from any falling object. So according to the TV report, thousands of people were injured and some died in Gujarat. If the buildings had been made in a way that they would not fall in the earthquake, would the damage have been different? How? So yes, if the buildings had been made earthquake proof, the damage would have been lesser. lesser, the people would not have died under the buildings, and the number of injured people would have also been lesser. Okay, lesser. So the loss of the various belongings of the people would, at times like this, when people have lost their homes and all their belongings, what kind of help would they need? So at times when people have lost their homes and their belongings, they would need to following help: concept tan canvas to prepare their hearts, clothes, food, water, milk, medicines, and first aid treatment. In such situation, whose help would be needed and for what? Write in your notebook as shown here. So whose help will be needed? Dog. How will they help? To smell out where people are lying trapped. So whose help will be needed? Dog. So how will they help to smell out where people are trapped? Doctor. To provide first aid treatment to the injured people. Non-government organization to provide clothes, utensils, eatables, etc. Laborers to help the people to prepare their homes. Scientists to find out which areas have more chances of having earthquake and to warn the people to keep away from these places. Scientists to find out which areas have more chances of having earthquake and to warn the people to keep away from these places. Minister and political parties to provide the compensatory money to the affected people. Have you ever seen people in your area helping each other when? Yes, few years back, few houses in our area got burnt. At that time, all the neighbors helped them and provided them all possible support. Why do people live together in a neighborhood? People live together in neighborhood because at that time any big problem, danger, or calamities like earthquake, flood, theft, or major health problems, etc., and they can take help from each other. Imagine living in place where there were no other houses or people around. How would it be? For example, whom would you play with whom would you celebrate festivals and special day? Would you be scared? So if my house would have been all alone at a place, then there would have been no one to help us during any problem, calamities, or disaster like earthquake, flood, fire, theft, major illness, etc. Okay, so there would be no one with whom I could play. There would be no one with whom we could celebrate various festivals and special occasion. I would have felt scared also. So question number 14, people face a lot of difficulties when they lose people from their family or their house and belonging. In newspaper of the last 1 month, look for news related to such disaster, earthquakes, floods, fires, cyclones, etc. in different parts of the world. Collect these news reports and paste them in your notebook. So this is a research activity students are suggested to complete it as directed. Make your own report which mentions the following: cause of the disaster, date and time, what kind of damage did it cause to lives, belongings, livelihoods. So which people came forward to help, which government officer or other groups. So answer: New Delhi, Friday. You can write it whatever the date. A major fire broke out on Thursday early morning in the slum area of Bhavna. The incident occurred at around 5:30 a.m. The blaze was spotted in one of the juggies due to a gas cylinder blast. The fire had spread to more than 250 juggies. Fire service official set for firefighting tenders were pressed into action and the flames could doused only after 2 hours. About 15 people died on the spot and more than 150 got severe injuries. So the house and the belongings of the people were completely burnt and destroyed, and the area supervisor and district leaders came for help and support to the victim. So many non-government organizations also rendered support by providing the victims clothes, utensils, food, drinking water, milk, etc. The government has declared to provide rupees 3 lakhs to the family members of the deceased and rupees 60,000 to each family who have lost their houses as compensation. So have people in your area ever got affected by famine or drought? Find such reports of different countries from newspaper. Make your own report. So Odisha hit by drought, Barana. Okay, Thursday, 2nd July 2021. After a year, Odisha has been hit by a severe drought. Again, more than 5,000 families living in the coastal areas have been affected. Officials say the state has incurred a huge loss in its paddy crops worth more than 600 crore crores. There is scarcity of food and drinking water in the affected area, and the people are dying due to starvation. The state minister said that the government had taken all the measures it could to ensure that the food and drinking water is available to those affected. Various NGOs have also come to provide help and support to the people by providing food, water, milk, clothes, etc. to affected people. A leading state environmentalist said that destruction of forest land and the lack of water conservation policy were two key factors responsible for the drought. Government has announced to pay rupees 30,000 to the affected family as compensation. You may need some help from these in case of an accident or emergency. Find out, write their address and phone numbers, add more names to their list. So fire station, nearby hospital, ambulance, police station, fire station sector nearby this one. Question number 18, write a report with the help of the following words: floods, river, water, injured people, food package, rescue work, campus, camps, dead bodies, dead animals floating in water, house underwater, aerial surveys to see the scene of disaster from a plane, sad people, disease spread by dirty water, homeless people, trapped people. Okay. Next we have the answer number 18. Let me check how much left. Yeah. Let's complete this now. So the flood situation in Assam has worsened with death of about 500 people in the last 3 days due to the heavy monsoon. The river water level of the adjoining Brahmaputra river has further risen above the danger mark, and the regional meteorological center here warned of more rain and thunder showers. So aerial surveys of the place was conducted to estimate the loss, and the area was about 8,000 houses underwater, 200 of dead bodies of man and animals floating in the water. The state government has opened 2,500 temporary camps beside losing the flood heat, said the homeless people trying their best to provide help and support to the trapped people. They have been provided with food package, drinking water, milk, etc. Doctors are working voluntarily to provide free treatment to the injured and ill people, and also providing measures to prevent waterborne disease. Government has announced to pay 2 lakh to the family members of the deceased and rupees 1 lakh to all the flood hit families as compensation. What we have learned, क्या समझा हमने, what type of difficulties are faced by people during floods. Look at the picture, what kind of school have the children come to after the flood, and write down what people had to do, make their life normal again after the flood. Okay, so see this is a picture of that. The following difficult are faced by people during flood. Many people die, many people get injured, their house and other valuable get destroyed, their farms are destroyed, a lot of food items are destroyed, there's scarcity of drinking water, waterborne diseases are spread, the roadways or railways get affected badly, and school, hospital, other important public places get destroyed. It has been shown in the picture that after the floods, since the schools of the children have been destroyed, as a result of the day have to study in a park or under a tree. देखो कहाँ बैठ के वो बेचारे पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. Treatment of the injured and diseased people, helping and supporting those people who have lost their family members earning hand. This can be done by providing them some compensatory money, loans or job, etc. and the arrangement of safe drinking water and flood to the people, and taking appropriate measure that disease could be prevented to be the spread. Okay, to be spread. So the roadways and railways should be brought back to the normal. Okay, back to normal. The schools of the children should be made functional again. So this is chapter 14, when the earth shook. Okay, when the earth shook. These are the question answer which you have to do in your book. Got it? Okay.